Here's an unboxing of a custom Wesco. Chris at Wesco gave me this hat. Custom horsehide. All black with the Dr. Soul green sole. Beautiful, beautiful. This is just a pamphlet there. Just do that around. Awesome fit and finish. I've got the custom toe cap because I've got a Harley Davidson bike, so that'd be good for changing gears. I just love the green sole, just as it suits after black. Awesome looking boot. I'm going to haul out them rear end laces and install these leather rawhides instead. Fit and finish, the threading is second to none. Look at that stitching lines, like well, here it is. I got them custom to my foot, so they should be an awesome fit. Got the standard heel height there, not too much. Awesome looking boot.